Hi everyone, I'm Nina. I'm 10 years old and in 5th grade.
Hi everyone, I'm Matteo. I'm 8 years old and in 3rd grade.
We're happy to be here today. In our family, when we aren't feeling well or because it's yummy, we like to make dumplings. And today we're going to show you how to make them.
The dumplings we like to make are called gyoza. They're Japanese dumplings.
First thing you have to do is you have to get everything together. You have our filling with your spoon, gyoza wrappers, small bowl of water, and a tray for finished gyoza.
Our parents make the filling with pork, sesame seeds, green onions, water chestnut, shoyu, and egg.
Our job is to wrap the gyoza. This is how we do it. So you take your gyoza wrapper and then you dip your finger in the water and you brush it around the edge of your wrapper. Don't put too much on it, otherwise it'll just get gummy. Anyways, and then you take your spoon and you get your meat, not too much, not too little. This is raw meat, so don't touch your face or your anything else. And then you fold it. The easiest way to fold it is how Matteo is going to do it, just to fold it over and seal it. But the way I like to do it is I like to make it look pretty. So to do that, to make how I think is pretty, you will basically hold it, 2 fingers, and then put your left side behind your right side like this. And you keep doing that until you go, if you want to go all the way around, just a little bit, I'm just going to do like the front. And then I'm going to turn it to the back so you can see it. And then you're going to fold the back onto the front like this. And there you go. There's your gyoza. Put it on the final tray. And you'll keep making these until you run out of meat or you run out of wrappers, whichever comes first.
We're finished now. We're gonna wash our hands and Mama is gonna cook them.
Now it's time to eat! We like to eat our gyoza with rice and sausawan, which is Tagalog for dipping sauces.
Yum!